Welcome back to another video. I'm going to make blue cookie ice cream, Sesame Street style, okay? And these are all the ingredients that you're gonna need, okay? I'm gonna have my ice cream pan that I'm gonna put in the freezer while I prep everything. Heavy whipping cream, yes, I'm gonna use this whole paint, equals 2 cups. My vanilla extract, a tablespoon. Blue food gel coloring, use how much blue you want, depending on how blue you want the ice cream. Oreos, Chips Ahoy, and this one for blender here. So with that being said, let's get into the video. And yeah, I also forgot the condensed milk. You are also gonna need a can of condensed milk. All right. I'm gonna take 20 Oreos and I'm crushing this bag, and then I'm gonna take 15 of the Chips Ahoy, and I'm gonna break that up. And these are soft, so you don't have to crush them up, okay? So you can just pinch them off, right? I might do like 25. Because I love cooking cream ice cream. So 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm gonna do about that many. I did like 22, okay? So I'm gonna smash these up. Okay, so I got all my cookies cut up. Oreo, I have my Oreos chopped up, and my Chips Ahoy right there, And also, you see what powder I'm using, right? Okay. I thought I was recording it, and I wasn't. I put all in here, and I thought I was recording. I wasn't recording, and crap, the baby distracted me. So yeah. Woo, there you go. Like that. Okay, so we got that. All that in here. Okay, now we're gonna. All right, I got it all in the pan. Now we're gonna put a plastic over this, and we're gonna put it in the freezer for overnight. Now, as you see, I pushed the plastic down right in it, like so. Okay. Again, I'm gonna let it be in the freezer overnight. There you have it. Homemade Sesame Street ice cream. I'm gonna let this freeze again overnight, and then tomorrow I'm gonna add cookies on top. Okay? And that would be the final results. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Bye. All right, y'all. So here it is, the final result of my Sesame Street blue cookie cream ice cream. I hope y'all like this video. Please don't forget to share, subscribe, and like, and comment. And I hope y'all have a wonderful, blessed day. And thank y'all for the support. And let me know if y'all gonna try this recipe out, okay? It looks so good. I can't wait to show y'all the final result. I'm gonna dig into it and plate it up, bowl it. Well, I'm putting it in the bowl. All right. Well, stay prayed up and keep God first. I will talk to y'all later. Bye.